Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Nationwide insurance account on your desktop. If you'd like to log into your insurance account for Nationwide, then simply follow the instructions. If you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the web address box that pops up at the top, type in www.nationwide.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the homepage of Nationwide, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the login button, which will bring you up to this page over here. From the drop down at the right hand side, click it on and select insurance and go to the username text field right beneath. Type in your username that is associated with the account. Make sure to type in your information correct. Head over to the next field, type in your password in the password field. Make sure to type it in correct as well. And you can double check your password after you've done that by clicking on this little eye icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on Forgot Username/Password link beneath the login button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username or to reset your password to a new one. If you want the system to remember your username so that you won't have to type it in again and again next time, click on this Remember Username box. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave it unchecked before moving on. After you're done typing in your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click the login button and you'll be logged into your Nationwide insurance account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.